Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the GoolRC T47 foldable drone. You'll receive the drone in a rigid clamshell case. Inside you'll find the drone, a remote controller, a USB charging cable, and 2 rechargeable batteries. You'll also receive an instruction manual. The drone is small and lightweight, measuring 5.5 inches by 2 3/4 inches and 1 inch tall when folded up. The fan blades fold out from the sides and the footprint is 8 inches by 7 inches when expanded. On top is a single power button for turning the drone on and off. On the bottom is the battery bay, and the battery simply gets seated in the compartment and slid up until it locks. There's also a 720p camera on the front that is adjustable up to 90 degrees. The remote control requires 2 AAA batteries which are not included. The controls are interesting because they are gravity sensing, which means instead of using 2 joysticks, you tilt your hand in any direction to control the drone. Starting up the drone was a bit tricky though. First, press and hold the power button on the drone until the lights start flashing. Then turn on the remote control and press the joystick up, then down. The drone will beep twice to confirm that it is paired. If you move it to a different surface, press and hold the right button to calibrate before takeoff. Now to start the rotors, press the joystick in to click it, and the blades will spin. Pressing up on the joystick will cause the drone to rise. Then to control the forward, back, left, and right motion, you tilt your hand in the corresponding directions. The bottom button on the remote is the emergency stop, which kills the rotors. Be careful when using this though, because the drone will drop out of the sky like a stone. The left button toggles on and off the front and back lights. The trigger button in the front changes the power mode level, from low to medium to high. The top button enters the drone into Headless Mode, and the remote will beep while the lights on the drone flash to let you know when you're in this mode. Although it took a little getting used to, I actually like the gravity controls better than the traditional 2 joystick remote control, as it's a bit more intuitive. Okay, and then go back to the drone and you can see what the drone is doing.
What? Why can't see that airplane? The red airplane?
Because your hand is in front of the lens.
Yeah, that's good. I can see right there all the motions.
Where?
Oh, where'd he go? Flew away.
The other way you can control this drone is by using the GoolRC mobile app. After turning on the drone, go into your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the UAV wireless network. Then launch the app and click Connect. The drone's camera feed should show on your phone screen after a minute. Click the off icon to switch the virtual joysticks on. The hourglass looking icon is for altitude hold. Then to fly the drone, press the up arrow to start the rotors. Use the left virtual joystick to control altitude and the right one to control forward, back, left, and right, just like a regular remote. And the camera and video buttons activate the camera shutter for taking photos and movies. With the app, you can also do 360-degree flips. So if you want to get all the features out of this drone, you'll have to use the mobile app to control it. But even without the camera features and 360 flip, flying with the gravity remote is pretty fun too. I also really like that it folds up compactly, is very stable during flight, and easy to get a hang of. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.